Good morning, children. Welcome to our next online class. Our today's topic is e-groups. Yesterday we had seen about that e-governance, e-reservation, e-shopping, e-banking, how we can use this and in the various field how it is working. So today's topic is e-groups. Now let us see what is e-groups. E-groups, which are also referred to as online or web communities, allow people to share photos, events, or messages. So, in e groups, we can easily share photos, events, and messages with the help of an online to people which to whom we know. So, this is a very convenient that we can connect with our friends, we can share our photos, and we can share our memories with our friends, and like this way we can touch with our friends and family members with the help of an e-groups. So e-group is a feature in many social network services which allows user to create, post and comment in the forms of their interest. So people learn about each other through constant communication. So the advantages of e-groups are that people can remain connect as long as there is an internet. Means as internet is there means you can connect till that time. If internet is not there, then it is very difficult to connect. So the main thing is internet. Internet plays a very vital role nowadays to connect people with each other, and we can share our photos, memories with our family and our friends. So e-groups encourage shy people to speak up. So in e-group is very helpful for those people who are feeling very shy. Means feeling shy means when people, students or children, those who are not able to talk with a friend in front of someone, that person can easily speak in e-group. As online discussion or documents, unlike variable communication, and can be stored for a long time. Next is social networking. Social networking sites allow user to create a public profile and create an online community of friends or connect with people having common interest. It could also be used as a platform for business to expand or for famous personalities like political leaders, film stars to communicate directly with people. Social networking, we know, like Facebook is a social networking. You can communicate with people very easily. So that is an online community of a friendship. This some sites are free social networking sites. So this is a platform where business can expand. Some are using for this to expand their business. Some are using like that, those who are famous personalities like leaders, film stars, they can communicate directly with people. So social networking is very important for communicating, for businessing with the help of an online. Here are some popular social networking sites. Here it is given that Twitter. Twitter people are using, famous like political leaders and film stars are using Twitter. Like first is Facebook. Facebook, everyone knows what is Facebook. Most of you are using Facebook. Facebook was launched on 4th February 2004. So 2004, 4th February. Remember this year and date. This is very important. So Facebook was launched on 4th February 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg with his fellow students at Harvard University. So people use Facebook to keep in touch with friends, post photos, share links and exchange other information. Facebook has more than 1.65 billion active users to have a Facebook account. One must be above 13 years of age. Means when you want to use Facebook, you should be above 13 years, and there are so many peoples are using Facebook. They are sharing their posts, photos, and exchanging information each other. So like this way they are in touch with their friends. Next is Twitter. Twitter is a micro blogging service where registered member broadcast short posts called tweets. So Twitter member can follow other users and give their comments. Means when you want to comment, you want to some message, you can give message, you can comment in Twitter. So that is called tweets. LinkedIn is a social networking site used by people to connect to people they know professionally. Those who are professional, they are using LinkedIn. When you will make your group in LinkedIn, you can see the professional names you will get in that. So you can easily connect with that professional peoples. Google Plus is a social networking site which you can join if you're having a Google account. Instagram you all are using. You know what is Instagram. Instagram is used by people to share photos and videos. They can be shared privately or publicly. Next is cloud computing. Cloud computing technologies lets you store and access data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. The word cloud is another term for the internet. Google Drive, Dropbox, Apple's iCloud are sites using cloud technology. So cloud computing is the process of storing information on remote servers and accessing the stored information through the internet. These remote servers are maintained by cloud computing service providers who enable us to store and access the information on a virtual cloud through the internet. User can use the programs or applications stored online. They need not have the apps on their computer. In other words, the word cloud refers to the internet. The user can access data and application from the cloud. Let us see the example which provides cloud computing services are Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft, SkyDrive, Google Photos and YouTube. Google Drive is one of the most popular programs using cloud technology. You can store files securely, upload and download files in various formats such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, photo, music or video. You can also create documents, presentations and spreadsheets using Google own Office program. Now there is advantages and disadvantages also. Advantages of Google computing is user can access their files from anywhere. There is no need to carry data on pen drives or external hard disk. Cloud storage means you can store more data than actual computer you are working on. It is easy to use and can be step up in a few minutes. It is https://www.oxfordlearnersdictionary.com/definition English/cost effective. So cost effective especially for large organizations since they do not have to build the infrastructure for data store. And data remains secure. In cloud computing, data is secure. You can access your files from anywhere. Now, what is the disadvantages? Since a third party controls the data and security is automatically a concern. However, service provider do try to address this disadvantage by providing encryption, secure access and other safety measure. And the last is, since your information is available to you over the internet, the danger that someone else may access it is also present. However, password and other forms of security are used to protect the data. So these are some features of cloud computing that you have seen the advantages and disadvantages also. So internet is very helpful. We have seen till now that in various fields, in various way you can use internet and you can easily connect with friend, you can easily study, you can do easily transaction. So there are lot many things internet, with the help of internet we are doing and we can do also. So thank you children. Rest we will see in next class.